This training video will show you how to perform a treatment using the ClearSkin 4mm and 10mm tips with the Harmony XL Pro Special Edition. Setting up. Connect the ClearSkin Pro applicator into the port by inserting the connector, ensuring the screw is horizontal. Turn the screw clockwise to lock in the applicator. Laser handpieces are most secured on the V-shaped applicator holder. Lead with the umbilical cord down to securely rest the applicator. Ensure the red safety button is released. If not, swivel to release. Turn the key and tap Start on the welcome screen. The system automatically identifies the connected applicator. The laser module ClearSkin is displayed on the operation screen. The 4mm and 10mm tips can be connected in one orientation onto the applicator in a clockwise direction. When a distinct resistance is felt from the handpiece, stop screwing. Screwing the tip in too tight can damage the sensor pins on the handpiece. The tip will be displayed on screen. The 4 and 10mm full beam tips must be paired with the magnetic connector, which features a glass window and vacuum function. Pulse repetition rate can be toggled from 1 to 3 Hz. This will deliver 1, 2, or 3 consecutive pulses per second when the foot pedal and hand trigger are pressed. Energy is adjusted with the arrows. The maximum energy is 1,500 mJ per pulse at 3 Hz, 2,000 mJ per pulse at 2 Hz, and up to 3,000 mJ per pulse at 1 Hz. When working at 3 Hz, pulses can be stacked or grouped in 3, 4, or 5 consecutive pulses. Cooling can be switched off or used at 50, 75, or 100% intensity. 100% is recommended to protect the epidermis. Vacuum can be turned on or off. The vacuum serves to bring the lesion closer to the laser, increasing penetration depth and helps with comfort during the treatment. The total energy accumulated during the treatment is recorded here. The home icon will take you back to the welcome screen. The treatment. Clean the treatment area. Remove all cosmetics, deodorant, moisturizer, and any other topicals on the skin, and remove all jewellery. The appropriate safety goggles for 1540 nanometer wavelength must be worn. If working on the face and neck, opaque shields need to be worn by the client. Perform a skin test prior to the complete treatment session. Set treatment parameters according to the operating manual. Remove the applicator from the holder and secure to wrist with safety strap. Switch to ready mode by pressing the standby button in order to start the treatment. The indicator lamp will flash. Check the tip is cooled before starting. Position the cooled tip perpendicular to the acne lesion or atrophic acne scar. Full contact is required without excessive amounts of force. Activate the laser by pressing the foot switch and then the hand trigger. After lasing, retract the laser from the lesion using your opposite hand to help disengage the vacuum. This helps to mitigate the risk of epidermal necrosis. Repeat as per protocol. If performing multiple passes, treat all lesions once and then return for the desired number of passes depending on the tissue response and parameters in the operating manual. Do not perform multiple passes on each lesion consecutively. The treatment should be relatively comfortable. The client should feel a slight amount of heat on the skin. However, if uncomfortable, the energy can be reduced. The platform must be in standby to make any changes. In order to reset accumulative energy, switch to standby and press the reset icon. At the end of the treatment, set the platform to standby and return the applicator to its holder at the side of the device. The clinical endpoint will be mild to moderate erythema. Apply soothing cream on the treatment area and remind the client of post-treatment instructions. Refer to the operating manual for in-depth post-treatment instructions. The recommended number of treatments is 4 to 6. Treatment intervals should be between 1 to 3 weeks. Cleaning. After the treatment, use 70% alcohol to clean the tips and cooled connectors. Do not clean the lens of the tip with alcohol. 70% alcohol on a soft cotton cloth can also be used to clean the handpiece, umbilical cord and console. Clean the lens after the treatment, inspect it for any dirt or debris. Apply the dust cap back onto the applicator when not in use.